Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to this video. This is day 11 of our case study. Yes, day 11. And this is where we left off yesterday, approximately 1168 people. And it is 12:30, so I don't know if it's AM or PM. I think it's PM, right? Anyway, so I'm gonna refresh this thing here. And so we're going to see, hopefully my internet's going to be faster. Let me pause this. All right, there we go. So we now have 1,254 people who are going to attend the event, okay? 1,254 people. So now, if we run the math at the, so the average price for you to get a registration for a webinar is $72. I'm running the math over there. So we saved about $90,000 that I would have paid to acquire these people and put them in the event. $90,000. So $90,288 to be exact. Okay. So it's pretty amazing. I'm running this this case study. It's the first time I do it myself, so I didn't necessarily know what to expect. And I mean, this has just been phenomenal. And now I realize how much money I would have spent if I had gone the traditional route, just like everybody does, Facebook ads and stuff like this. Okay, so yeah, so the event is soon. You can register for the event. I highly recommend you register for the event. I am going to blow your mind with really, really cool stuff that's in there, actionable, that you can take now and apply in your business.